Good afternoon, you're watching CNN News 18 and this broadcast is brought to you by me, Poonam Burde. Let's get you some breaking news coming in as far as Umar Khalid's bail plea is concerned, and the Delhi High Court has now dismissed that bail application. Remember, he was arrested in September in 2020. So for 2 years, he has been in jail. He was arrested under the stringent UAPA for his alleged role in the Northeast Delhi riots of 2020. 2 years later, he continues to stay in jail with the Delhi High Court, now dismissing his bail application. Remember, earlier this year, he was denied bail by a trial court which said there was reasonable grounds for him to be incarcerated. He had appealed against the trial court's order in the High Court. For the last 4 to 5 months, the hearing was underway in the Delhi High Court. The order was reserved, but today that order has been pronounced and Delhi High Court has dismissed his bail application, claiming there is absolutely no merit in it. Ananya, my colleague, now joins me for more on this. Ananya, big setback there coming to the fore for Umar Khalid.
Well, yes, definitely. It's a big setback coming in for Umar Khalid. And remember that this is the first bail application before the High Court in the Delhi riots cases that has been rejected. And in fact, we might see that there is a similar orders that could be passed, because remember, Umar Khalid has been said to be one of the main conspirators after Tahir Hussain into this particular case, and now a big setback coming in for JNU student leader Umar Khalid, who is said to be one of the main conspirators of the Delhi 2020 riots. In fact, it has also been said that he had instigated people. His speeches at Amravati had instigated religious feelings amongst people, and he had also tried to create a digress between the social fabric of the country. Those are the charges against him. Apart from that, Unlawful Activities Prevention Act, that is the UAPA, has been leveled against Umar Khalid into this particular case, apart from criminal conspiracy and other sections of the Indian Penal Code. However, the stringent charge of the UAPA remains against Umar Khalid into this particular case. And now the court, after listening to his bail application for about a month, has now dismissed it, clearly saying that there is no merit into the appeal that has been filed by Umar Khalid challenging the trial court's order. Remember that Umar Khalid's role had been discussed and developed by the prosecution, clearly saying that he was a member of various WhatsApp groups which were responsible in promoting these anti-CAA protests in 2019 and 2020, which actually led to a violence in the National Capital's Northeast District and other areas as well. So somewhere or the other, it's a big setback to the Umar Khalid and others into this particular case, because this case would definitely be relied upon by, in fact, the prosecution in the case against other people, including Sharjeel Imam and other people who are involved into this particular case. Remember that this FIR 59 of 2020 is with regards to the larger conspiracy in the Delhi riots, and in fact, this is the main case about the 2020 riots that happened in the national capital, killing almost 56 people had lost their lives, including security personnel, and also various people were injured, and various shops were vandalized and properties were damaged at that point of time. Poonam.
Absolutely. So it's been 2 years since he was arrested. It was September 2020 when he was arrested under the stringent UAPA. Since then, he remains in jail.